Machita sengola bafethu. Mamelodi Sundowns have made big bucks. They've made earnings at least 41.3 million this season. Benze 41.3 million Sundowns this season. Yeah, the reason why case strong always like Sundowns sayas, but yeah, I cash, I spend I cash. But I think it's decent Malians layer this season because like after so sibona bad la way kanye sibona sijonga ne-hate yoba i-Sundowns nemali and then iyathanda ujula imali. But if benza into enhle kanye sometimes bafumana i-return on investment because like if you invest in something ufumana i-returns. Yeah. So yeah, Sundowns this season made 41.3 million. And then some way okay, iyenze njani and where did the money come from? And yeah, and maybe can be something to learn for new teams like Bonnie. Yeah, those be some magama. See, as a team funike, funde something about Sundowns. Okay, it returns bonus buyanjan exactly without doing too much, without winning the CAF Champions League. Yeah. So yeah, Sundowns winning ila way if say the song PSL introduce le Q innovation thing. Yeah, but I'm not a fan of la way. It's like I think it's complicated and it's weird, probably unnecessary. But yeah, this is what they do. Labor 4 quarters season, but 4 quarters like born Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. And the team that gets the most points in like the first quarter gets 1.5 million. And yeah, iba like over how many months? But the season about 10 months. So I don't know how they divide this shit, like divide by 4. How to divide 10 by 4? And yeah, so it's probably like under 3 months. Yeah, like three months. Neighbors gonna be if like cause 4 quarters. In the season at 10 months, so yeah, around about 2 months, yeah, 2 months or so for Q1. So a team if money like most points up, it's 30 games actually, 30 games PSL, and then that ibazi for 4 games a month, which is like for those 30 games. That's how they come up with the Q1 to Q4. And a team like win a Q1 by nigga like 1.5 million. And then sometimes they win a Q1. They win a Q2. So that's 3 million. And then they win a PSL title, which is prize money 15 million. And then CAF Champions League, yeah, Puma semi-finals. Semi-finals CAF Champions League, evaluate 23.3 million. And that is how Sundowns have made 41.3 M this season as a team. But spend a lot of transfers, but there is some return on investment, 41.3 M. And then how much the money into Twitter and Facebook, like but busy, nanoba okay, by point, but by dismissal way basically. But Sundowns like didn't make any, but yeah, I landed. The rumor to have been like 51 million i transfer yakhe uMarcelo Allende le midfielder Sundowns. But yeah, the reports like transfer fees will always be exaggerated, especially by the agents. So I call factual like twice is rumored to be around 51 million. But so I call like proven fact a statement is Troy from the club or an agent yakhe ba evaluation is from transfer market. The estimations as well. So I equate okay, Sundowns yapatala 51 M for Allende. So ngan machita mangaliwe yini uba iseniti yeah Sundowns yapatala 51 M ku Allende. So asuka bone worthless lewe ba okay Sundowns yenze 41.3 M. And man kanye ngumona okanye izikhipana ikho proven fact ba okay Allende cost Sundowns 51 M. So masithethe ngale thina effect siyaziyo sizibona i-figures ziproven and ziya released by the PSL ba Sundowns Q1 and Q4 champions. I mean sorry Q1 and Q2 champions. 1.5 M Pirates win Q3 most, so Sundowns win Q1 Q2 the team Pirates win Q4 and Q3 we winning in Q3 was it Amazulu Sekukuni khona le team win Q3 machita. Yeah, if uyakhumbula ngicela usiqala phe comments man. Ikhona umlaziyo but say team win Q3 I can't just confirm but Sundowns being a Sundowns win Q1 or Q2 and then Pirates win Q4. So like Q1 or Q2 are 1.5 M and then PSL title 15 M, a CAF Champions League semi-finalists 23.3 M. And that was the Sundowns money. And then still Sundowns being the revenue net earnings from sponsorships. So ends on just 4.13 M, but they don't release the figures of okay how much Puma pays the Sundowns, but obviously it's big money because Sundowns like the giants of South Africa right now. Everybody always wants to watch Sundowns. Sundowns Gala on the continent, one of the big teams on the continent, Mogo. So Puma's paying a lot of fucking money Sundowns for one Puma. So Naleo earnings and Patala per season. Also Sundowns they sponsored by Hyundai, and Hyundai one of the leading brands in Mogo, was like one of the fast growing, like actually yeah I think it's probably like the best car brand in Mogo in terms of success in sales, because Hyundai is like a premium brand in Mogo. So now like associated in partnership with Sundowns, it's like Sundowns getting paid big money from Hyundai. So Puma no Hyundai as Babalanga. And then just this 41.3 M. So Sundowns are making a lot more money than what they earn from Ilawe success on the pitch. So yeah, Mr. Allende, Allende 51 million. Sundowns makes more money from sponsorship. So many Allende 51 million. Yeah, tiga machita ku kanye umona. Yeah, bora machita pagu nina bora machita whoever you are ku Twitter or Facebook ngalini ngola Allende 51 million. So yeah, Sundowns ifailile angihlala phansi man. So yeah, Sundowns sencoma inhle leyenzayo, and if you invest in your team, if you put money in your team, you're going to get some success on the pitch and also financially. So into enhle team ngabona can be inspired by Sundowns. Ngabe sini ngothono banter ibhola about sengumona nibone just saying some clown shit man about Sundowns. So we have something to learn. Otherwise nina much than nibona njani anyway, like bona anything positive to Sundowns. Can team yakho wena, whether you find a Kaizer Chiefs or when you find a Orlando Pirates or Amazulu Swallows, Cape Town City, is there something to learn from Sundowns? Just let us know in the comments, but Sundowns, like how they conduct their business and how they go about doing their thing. One, if you got to the channel, content engineer, subscribe ngalali kazi. Kona indawo ezantsi bhala subscribe emhlophe. Top subscribe. Zikhona videos apha ku YouTube ezininzi ezithetha ngebhola apha essay, but ayikho nje friendly, so ungalali top subscribe, zikhona videos apha. Watch abafethu.